This is Igbo Area Hello. 20 facts about Igbos no one would ever tell you. Often seen as the most industrious people in Nigeria, given by their ability to dominate and multiply in any location they find themselves, the Igbos of southeast Nigeria are one tribe to reckon with. The Igbo language is spoken predominantly in states such as Abia, Anambra, Ebonyi, Imo, as well as Enugu and some other parts of rivers and delta. Here is a quick rundown of some unpopular facts about the Igbos. 1. The Igbos believe in the existence of a god, whom they call Chukwu, Chineke, Chiokike, that is God of creation. Some say Chukwu Abiyama. They had this belief even before the coming of Christianity. Number 2. The Igbos believe that every individual is born with a chi. A chi is some sort of guardian angel or spiritual assistance, and that the fate and destiny of the individual is determined by the chi. There is an Igbo adage that says, Ofunne na-amụ mana ofuchi adịghị eke. Ofunne na-amụ mana ofuchi adịghị eke. That is not to say different gods create people. No, that people, each one has his or her own guardian angel. So it meaning that one mother can give birth to the same children, but they aren't guarded in this context. It's created by the same chi. You understand? Number 3. Igbos also believe in the existence of one supreme deity and in the existence of other subordinate deities. They believe in the power of the spirits of the sun, Anyanwu, the sky, Igwekala, the earth, Allah, and lightning and thunder, Amadi Oha. Number 4. The Igbos revere Njoku or Ajoku, the deity which is believed to be in charge of yam, which is known to be a staple food crop in Igbo land. As a result, they celebrate New Yam Festival, Irijiofu or Ifejioku, in Igbo land to thank Njoku. In the olden days, an Igbo man with the largest barn of yams was often called Diji. Number 5. In Igbo land, children are considered to be a gift from Chukwu and as such are given utmost attention. The naming ceremony of Igbos is a must read for you. Igbos give names such as Nwakego, Nwabugu, etc. to their children. In the olden days, women who delivered more than 10 children often have a feast thrown in their honor, since it wasn't a simple feat. In those days, men were separated from men based on the number of children they had, especially the male ones. Number 6. Each Igbo community is organized under age groups, organizations, masquerade groups, women groups, etc. Number 7. Each village in Igbo land has a deity and a chief priest, no matter the level of Christianity there. Some chief priests inherit the positions while the others are chosen by the gods. A typical example is the Eze Imoka, chief priest of Imoka, who is often chosen by their gods. Number 8. Most Christian Igbos are either Roman Catholics or Anglicans. It wasn't until recently that the Pentecostal church began to gain ground in Igbo land. Number 9. Essential instruments in Igbo music include the Oja, which is called a flute, the Ekwe, a wooden log with a hollow in the middle, the Opi, tusk, and the Ogene, gang. Number 10. The Igbos had and still has a serving system in Igbo land which is called Isusu, or some people say Isusu, depending on the pronunciation. Number 11. The Igbos revere the Ofo, a staff that symbolizes authority in Igbo land. A former Nigerian head of state of Igbo descent often carried one around, and people believe he was killed because he didn't have it with him on that day. Number 12. The Igbos believe in reincarnation, as do many people. They call children who are born but die and come back again to the same parents, only to die again, Obanje. In order to stop those children from hurting their parents the more, the Igbos carry out spiritual sacrifices that makes the child reveal where their Iyuwa, some sort of link to the spirit world, is, where their Iyuwa is. Once this is destroyed, the child begins to live a normal life. This sums up this list of facts about the Igbos. Number 13. A typical Igbo man comes from a town which should have at least 5 villages. For example, a man who hails from Awka in Anambra State is bound to come from any of the over 10 villages in Awka. Number 14. Another important fact in this list of facts about the Igbos is that a typical Igbo man traces his lineage to 3 groups. Number 1 of the groups, Uno, that is the house through compound, which is his father's house. Number 2 in the group, Omonna, a kind of kindred or clan, which is his great-great-great-great-grandfather. Often at times, this grandfather may have begotten many children, hence the size of the clan or kindred is always large. In many Igbo communities, the Igbo man isn't allowed to marry from the same kindred because there's a popular belief that they are related by blood. The head of a clan, Umonna, is often the oldest man. Then number 3 among the groups are the Obodo. That's the village. Now we continue again. Number 15, among 12 facts about the Igbos no one will ever tell you. Number 15. In the olden days, most Igbo men had separate houses or huts where they entertained guests and held meetings. This is called the Obi. Number 16. One of the most important facts about the Igbos is that various Igbo communities have different dialects, but their customs and traditions are closely related. Does this sound weird? Number 17. Different Igbo towns are known for one thing or the other. Oka people are known for blacksmith. Achi people are known for Igbachi, a type of edible delicacy made from corn flour. Ibugu people are known for their sculpted pieces. Number 18. Many Igbo communities lacked and still lack centralized political structures, given that they are ruled by a king, Eze, Obi, Igwe as the case may be, who has a chief, an elder from each of the villages that make up the kingdom, having one representative each in his cabinet. Number 19. An Igbo town is often named after its founding father, e.g. Umuoma means children of Oma. When the white man came, that's our colonial masters, came to Igbo land, they found it quite difficult to properly pronounce Igbo names, and as such, Igbo towns were given names these colonial masters could pronounce. Number 20. In number 20, we have the 5 of the most important institutions in Igbo lands. Number 1 in this number 20, Council of Elders. Number 2, we have the age groups, the Otuobo. Number 3, we have the Council of Chiefs. Number 4, we have the Women's Association. And number 5 of these institutions are secret societies, e.g. masquerade groups. We thank God for having such a wonderful culture. But the ones that contradict Christianity, for me, I will do away with them. But I still believe in culture and tradition. But once it doesn't clash with my Christian belief. Meanwhile, thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. God bless you.